Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with 3 essentials: server address, credentials, and the authentication type. Once done, open System Settings and go to Network to add a new connection. Choose VPN as the interface, then pick the correct protocol. ICAV2 is preferred for stability. Make sure you select Add VPN now and prepare to enter the server, remote ID, and your username. This gets you immediately into the configuration flow so you can complete the setup without delay. Now you configure the profile step by step. Type the server address and remote ID exactly as provided, and add the local ID only if required. Next, choose Authentication, username and password for hosted services, pre-shared key for L2TP, or import a certificate for ICAV2. Once credentials are entered, enable Send All Traffic over VPN if you want all network traffic routed through the tunnel. Make sure DNS settings are adjusted if the VPN requires specific name servers. You finish by clicking Connect and watching the status indicator. Once connected, verify by checking your external IP or accessing an internal resource. Add the VPN icon to the menu bar for one-click control and enable auto-join if desired. If it doesn't connect, first recheck the server address, username, and PSK or certificate validity, then inspect macOS firewall and DNS settings. If problems persist, restart the network service and try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.